Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. At the recent press conference and send-off event for Mr. Pilipinas Global 2024, Dom Corilla, standing tall at 6'4", shared his insightful perspective on the upcoming Mr. Global 2024 competition. With genuine confidence and a charismatic presence, Dom emphasized that the key to making a memorable impact on the global stage is staying true to oneself. His heartfelt message resonates deeply with both fans and fellow contestants, underscoring the importance of authenticity and representing the Philippines on the international platform. As Dom prepares to compete in Thailand on October 6, he carries with him not just his impressive stature, but also a profound sense of pride and responsibility. The Mr. Global 2024 competition will undoubtedly benefit from his unique blend of confidence, integrity, and dedication. Dom's approach reflects a commitment to showcasing his genuine self while upholding the values and cultural heritage of the Philippines. Supporters and pageant enthusiasts are encouraged to cheer for Dom as he takes on this exciting challenge. His journey is a testament to a power of self-belief and authenticity, qualities that are sure to make him a standout contender. Rock that stage, Dom. We are all behind you as you fly our flag high and make us proud.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!